Since we're on the subject of faith, Mr. Martin Luther King Jr. wanted to say a little something with that. He said, James, faith is taking the first step even when you don't see the whole staircase. I love that quote so much. Faith is taking the first step even when you don't see the whole staircase. I love that quote because that's what faith is. Now, as an example, when it comes to success, we lose faith in ourselves very quickly. We lose faith in our team very quickly. We lose faith in so many other components when it's business. But as an example, since I live in Las Vegas, I usually give this example. To go from Las Vegas to California, you have to basically take the I-15 freeway, I-15 South to be exact. If you're on the I-15 South, and let's say it's 3 in the morning, it's pitch black, and you're on that road to the I-15 South going to California, Southern California, you're going there. As you're doing that, and it's pitch black, your headlights scream out, right? How far can you actually see ahead of you? Maybe a few feet, few hundred feet, whatever it is. Can you actually see Southern California? Can you actually see California? Or do you just have faith that where you're going is the right way? It's the road, because you can only see a few hundred feet. But the beautiful part is, after those few hundred feet, you can see another few hundred feet. And when you go those few hundred feet, you can see another few hundred feet. That's life and that's success. You may not be able to see the end goal yet. It may take you 4 hours of driving. It may take you 4 to 5 to 6 hours to get to Southern California or wherever you're going. But we know that it's feet by feet. We know it's inch by inch makes it a cinch. Yard by yard makes it hard. We know that eventually we're going to get to the end goal. We may not be able to see it yet, but we know as long as we stay on this road of I-15 South that we're going to end up in Southern California. We know it's going to work because everyone else that's been on I-15 South has said to go from Vegas to California, all you have to do is stay on the I-15, you will end up in California. And that's success. There's a foundation already set. As we mentioned earlier, whatever your vision, ambition, desires, and goals are, whatever you want to accomplish, whatever your big dream is, becoming a great chef, becoming a great church member, becoming a great speaker, becoming a great YouTuber, becoming a great makeup artist, becoming a great lawyer, becoming a great doctor, whatever, becoming a great mom, dad, whatever your goal is that you want to become great at, whatever it is, there's already people who have done it. And there's already people who are known as the best lawyers, the best doctors, the best speakers, the best internet marketers, the best whatever. So those people already exist. Let's find out what they're doing, and let's find out what all the people who are good at it, what do they all do? And you'll notice that that foundation is already set there. It's already set. Now, we may not be able to see the end goal of, I want to do this, but how am I ever going to be the big dog, and how am I ever going to become great at this? You may not be able to see yet. You just have to have faith. As Martin Luther King Jr. said, faith is taking the first step even when you don't see the whole staircase. So the end goal, we may be able to walk up, you want to walk up all these stairs. You may not be able to see it yet. You may have to jog a mile. That's your goal. I'm going to jog a mile every single day. You may not be able to see the end result of a mile yet, but we know step by step you're going to do it. Inch by inch, it will make it a cinch. Yard by yard makes it hard. Inch by inch, and we'll slowly get there, just having faith.